Hi friends, greetings of the day. Now we will see fourth set of questions. Um, the first one is electric and magnetic fields are equivalent. Equivalent in circuits. Say the equivalence of this electric and magnetic field in circuits. What is it? A voltage and current, or current and voltage, or power and voltage? So I think we have covered in RF antennas and RF concepts video, like in a presentation. What is equivalent to what? So because in fields we call it as electric and magnetic fields. In circuits we call two of them. Two equivalents are there. You have to. I think it is a very easy question. You should be able to answer this question. Next is power in circuits corresponds to what? Is it a Poynting vector or electric and magnetic field? So if you know these concepts, right, so we can apply many of the circuit fundamentals in the electromagnetic fields also. So because there is a equivalence is there. So it's so by most of the circuit parameters we use in low frequencies, the circuit components, and there should be equivalent for all the parameters. So that's why. So some of them are three, electric and magnetic fields has equivalent in circuits, and power is also having equivalent in circuits. Okay. Next is pattern shape is independent of distance in far field. Is it true? So or false? Okay. So I think while discussing a far field radiation pattern measurement, I think I could have shown one plot also that you can check in the 5G OTA beam forming and conductor measurement setup. So all the presentation I have covered this topic, this particular thing. So how the pattern will look like in the far field? Will it change, or how it change? Will it change or not change? So that you have to see. Okay. Next is principal planes. So principal planes in the spherical coordinate system there are two principal planes. So you have to see which one of them. Okay. So next is return loss is a positive value. This is where we get a lot of confusions, because there is a difference between reflection coefficient and reflectant loss. So return loss and gain are opposite to each other. So think of that, then answer this question. Radiation resistance is it a real resistor or not a real resistor? So that you have to see. Okay. I think in antennas and RF concepts I have covered this topic, and this module. Beam area is a circuit parameter or a field parameter. So that I think while discussing radiation pattern I have discussed this also. What is the fundamental element of radiation? Is it static charges or accelerated charges? So while explaining the radiation phenomena, I would have explained. So if you look at the antennas and RF concepts presentation, then you should be able to answer this question. Next is EM wave varies as a function of position, time, and both. Is it both, or position and time? I think while presenting the equations, field equations, I have mentioned this. So please go through that. Next is free space impedance is what? Is it 377 ohm or 50 ohm or 75 ohm, 120 ohm? So I think it's straightforward question answer. So thank you guys. So I will post in all the answers in the next 4 presentation. Thank you.